What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing exhaust work again tonight on the Tahoe, and I just wanted to show you the difference between these Cherry Bomb Extremes and these Flow Monsters. I'm getting the Flow Monsters for the Mustang, so look for that in a video coming up. And this Cherry Bomb Extreme is going on the Tahoe here, so that'll be in another video coming up. But real quick, just look at the difference. They're both made in China, so that's whatever. But you know, similar construction. If you can kind of see, I'll see if I can shine the light in there. You know, that just goes straight into a you know, a chamber, basically into like a metal deflector. That's a Cherry Bomb. Came with a sweet sticker. Cool. This one also came with a cool sticker. Flow Monster. I read somewhere that they were made by Holly, but I don't know. They're made in China, so it's whatever. But these, you can kind of see, you know, straight through there. There's not really a hole. That's the outlet right over there where the light's coming out, and so it just kind of goes straight in through there, and you know, right up through there. They're gonna be pretty loud. So if you were on the fence about choosing one or another, I got a feeling that those Flow Monsters are gonna be pretty rowdy, and you know, look for the videos coming up. See for yourself. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.